historical experience with investing?
I always thought that there must be another better way around for doing that. So I was introduced to Alpesh, and I was really impressed with the education and the services and support that he provides. And as a result, I've been pretty successful with it.
And what are your thoughts on the Great Investments Programme?
Now, the Great Investment Programme to me has opened new strategies, new knowledge, but yeah, pretty impressive program. I can recommend anybody to join this. You will be much better off, much better than giving it to a pension fund that might return you 6 or 7% if you're lucky. And you will return much higher investments. So if you want to stop working early in life, join this particular program. Unfortunately, I joined it after my retirement. I wish I could have joined it 20 years earlier.
And what kind of results have you achieved so far with the program?
Since doing the program, I started to manage a small amount of money for a friend of mine. And he had very impressive results. I started to manage his account in July last year, and he's up 35%.